Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I promised you guys I would do a do-it-yourself video on the Mac Fix Plus. So we have the Pinklite and we have the Goldlite. And I think I mixed them up in the boxes, but I showed you on a previous video. They come out and they look just like this. I'm going to grab one that I got from the Ultracell. I had to wait for it to come in the mail today. They were half off. So it looks pretty similar, and I am going to make my own. So when you shake these up, here's gold, here's pink, and I don't want to spray any glitter on me. I don't have any glitter on. I want to make my own and compare. So I brought out, I'm moving my tool cart, sorry, some loose highlighters. No, I am not ruining my Amorisi highlighter. Oh no, 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 no. That thing is gorgeous. So I got loose highlighters, whatever ones I could just grab at. This is a very gold one from Wet n Wild. It does have a sifter, but I can pour it out. And then I have the Jackie Ania ones. Here's a rose. I'm only making one bottle. I did buy two, but I want to keep one regular, so I got to decide what I'm going to go for, because then you have, this is kind of pink too. Don't want to go pink or don't want to go gold. This is more of a gold. I'm thinking, I don't know, that's a hard one. This is a really, really good one from Wet n Wild. Like, this is just beautiful. I'm thinking I'm going to go gold. I'm going to use this one and then Illuminati, because they both run in the gold area. And we're going to mix them up. I have my handy dandy spoon with me here. Okay, so let's get started. I'm hoping the top comes off simple. So just going to untwist it here. There we go. Tap it off. Bam, bam, bam. And you don't have to have Mac Fix Plus. You can get a Makeup Revolution, any kind of setting spray. I would recommend it being clear. That way you're going to see more of your added whatever you choose. You can break up a full-size highlighter, but I choose not to. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild, and then I'm just going to put some in here. I need like a little funnel. I want more. Definitely want more. Okay. So this can be kind of messy. I'm going to do it down here over my lid so I don't lose a bunch of highlighter. So anyways, now I'm going to go in the Artist Couture, and I'm going to dump a little bit out. These, mind you, are not cheap. I got mine on the actual Artist Couture site. Now they sell them at Sephora. It is VIB sale time, so it would be a good time to buy. I don't remember how much they were. I believe they were like in the $21 range. I want to see how well this comes out. This is the thing, is you can add more, but you can't subtract. So let's shake this up. I'm super excited. I've been waiting for this. Okay, so look. Here's the one I just made, and then here's the gold one from Mac. I'm going to shake them both. Shake them. Woo. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but I think mine looks way more tinted. So I'm going to give it a little spritz and then do my face. I don't know what was going on, but my Mac Fix Pluses have been kind of splotchy, even though I spray it like that first. But I want to spray it on the hand. I want to see how gold this comes out. Can you see any gold? I don't know. I'm like, don't mind me, I've been running around like most of the day, so I'm just like, anyway, just trying to find some gold. Digging for the gold, baby. I'm digging for the gold. We're going to spray this side with the MAC one. It looks the exact same. Not seeing a whole lot of gold, but oh yeah, I can see it. Maybe you guys can see it better on camera. I'll have to look back on the video. But I can definitely see it. I think I want to add a little more because you know me, I'm a highlight freak. Oh, I can definitely see it on my hand now. Look. If you can see the gold specks, let me know. I'm going to toss some more in this, baby. Okay. How easy was that? Now, again, you don't have to go and get a MAC Fix Plus if you didn't get one half off. Don't go pay $26. Go to Ulta and buy, you know, Makeup Revolution, any kind of I would recommend, again, see-through one. Come home, grab a highlighter, a Wet n Wild highlighter. If you have to, break it up. Pour it in. I just added some more of the Wet n Wild. And you're going to have the exact same thing they're selling over the market. Okay, so added more. But I can totally see the gold. Like, wow. I mean, as much as this side is, I'm going to be so covered in setting spray. Holy crap. It feels good though, because I'm kind of hot. I think I'm having hot flashes. Anyway, I don't know. This looks the same as that. What do I say? Do it yourself. Get a highlighter. Go to Walgreens, CVS. Buy a Wet n Wild highlighter because they are the bomb. Go home, buy a setting spray, a cheap drugstore one, go home, break up the highlighter, or if you can find a loose highlighter, dump some in there, shake it up, you're going to have the same thing as these. These are gimmicky, they're splotchy, and they are a waste of money, okay? And I know more companies are coming out with them. Iconic London already has. They look way more pigmented though. I think MACs suck. And I wouldn't recommend them to anybody at all. Look how see-through they are. I know you have to shake them, but then look at mine. Just do it yourself. Save some money, you guys. And do it is the quickest, easiest do-it-yourself I've ever done. Oh, it's the only one I've ever done that I've tried. Anyway, I can see definitely the sparkle shining down, and it looks amazing. This looks amazing. And this side looks less, so you want more sheen, you want more shine, add more. And then I might actually make the other one pink. If I do, let me know if you want to see that, because I'm tempted. This is kind of fun. And I have two very pink highlighters. This is getting messy. It's getting everywhere, but that was fun. I have the two pink ones from the Jackie Anaya, if I'm saying it right. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. Anyway, that I might turn my other Fix Plus into a pinky tone one. Let me know if you're interested in seeing that. I see some gold, and I see some gold. Do it yourself. You guys, don't waste your money. It is gimmicky. It is a waste of money. I like mine better. Let me know your opinion. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more fun videos. Throw me out some ideas. I still have a tag from a friend that I really am gonna, I totally want to do it, is on my list. So probably next week. Make sure you are subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Give me a thumbs up. And if you can, follow me on Instagram, Susan Young 1974, because I have another palette I'm giving away. I have a total of 2 of these, in giveaways. One is completely open and one is about to go up right now. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend, you guys. I might go to the Grand Prix tomorrow. Let me know if you want to vlog, and I will see you soon. Bye.